Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Baguio City DEO Conference Room for today's activity, two opening of bids of two infra projects and two pre-bid conference. We are live on YouTube name DPWH Baguio City DEO Procurement LS. Before we start, may I introduce to you the back members of this office. Engineer Hil Nuque, Chief of Quality Assurance Section, Engineer Nora De Los Santos, Chief of Maintenance Section, and yours truly, Marinjoy Santa Maria, the Assistant District Engineer, Chairperson of this committee. We are 3 out of 5 and we have a quorum. I would also like to acknowledge our witnesses. Sir Peter Bukasan, Punong Barangay of East Modernsite. Good morning, sir. Ma'am Jacqueline Lumibaw, Punong Barangay, Fort del Pilar. Sir Jam Kalanfa from City Construction. Sir Cesar Chilam from Mariucan Construction. And Sir Mario Beldan from the Office of Congressman. Go. To start, our activities for today are the opening of bids of two infra projects. Contract ID 25PD0115, contract name Basic Infrastructure Program, construction of multipurpose building at Barangay East Modernsite, Baguio City. The approved budget for the contract, 2,970,000. 3 bidders submitted, namely C+ Construction and Development Corporation, Kalahan General Construction and Supply, Anitos Construction. And the other infra projects, contract ID 25PD0116, contract name Basic Infrastructure Program, construction completion of multipurpose building, Building B, Barangay East Modernsite, Baguio City. The approved budget for the contract is 1,980,000. 2 bidders submitted, namely Kalahan General Construction and Supply and Anitos Construction. We will start now the opening of bids. May we request the back secretariat to open the technical proposal. Joining us today also, Engineer Cesario Rillera, the Vice Chairperson of this committee. We are 4 out of 5. Thank you. To continue, after checking the submitted documents of each bidder using a non-discretionary pass-fail criterion or the presence and absence of the documents. For contract ID 25PD0115, name of bidder, Anitos Construction. After checking the submitted technical proposal, the back declares non-complying due to pickup registration particular is not valid. May we request any representative from Anitos Construction? Any comments? If there's none, no representative, we will continue. For the same contract ID, name of bidder, Kalahan General Construction and Supply. This is contract ID 25PD0115. All the documents submitted in the technical proposal are all present in order and updated. The back declares complying. For the same contract ID, name of bidder, C Plus Construction and Development Corporation. After checking the submitted technical proposal, all the documents submitted are all present in order and updated. The back declares complying. For contract ID 25PD0116, name of bidder, Kalahan General Construction and Supply. All the documents submitted are all present in order and updated. The back declares complying. For the same contract ID, name of bidder, Anitos Construction. Same reason, non-complying due to pickup registration particulars is not valid. No representative. So let's proceed. May we request the back secretariat to open the second envelope or the financial proposal of these bidders to evaluate the content of their bids. To continue, contract ID 25PD0115. After checking the submitted financial proposal of C Plus Construction and Development Corporation, the BAC declares non-complying due to unsigned original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form. For the same contract ID, after checking the submitted financial proposal of Kalahan General Construction and Supply, the BAC declares complying. The total price of bid in words, 2,915,564 pesos and 14 centavos. Discount offered, 5%. May I request Engineer De Los Santos for the confirmation?
For the contract ID number 25PD0115, the bid of Kalahan General Construction and Supply is 2,915,564 pesos and 14 centavos. 2,915,564 pesos and 14 centavos with the discount of 5%, same as declared by our BAC chairperson.
May I request any representative from C Plus Construction and Development Corporation? To other contract ID 25PD0116. After checking the submitted financial proposal of Kalahan General Construction and Supply, the BAC declares complying. The total price of bid in words, 1,979,991 pesos and 28 centavos. With a 6% discount offered. May I request Engineer De Los Santos for the confirmation?
For contract ID 25PD0116, the bid of Kalahan General Construction and Supply is 1,979,991 pesos and 28 centavos with a discount of 6%, same as declared by our BAC chairperson.
Do we have any comments or reactions from our witnesses or from our online viewers? None, sir? Okay, reminder to all our bidders, please note that all bids are still subject to post-evaluation and post-qualification. What we are looking here is the lowest calculated responsive bid. Let's proceed to our second activity, the pre-bid conference of two infra projects. This is our invitation to bid. So let's proceed to the discussion of contract ID number 25PD0086. Name of contract, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, Alleviating Gaps, Rehabilitation of Road, Barangay 4th del Pilar, Baguio City. Scope of work, Rehabilitation of Road. The approved budget for the contract is 4,825,000. Contract duration is 60 calendar days. Cost of bid documents is 5,000 pesos. This will be presented and discussed by Engineer Franz Cortez.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. My name is Engineer Franz Daniel Cortez from Planning and Design Section. Today, I will present the detailed engineering design plan for Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, Alleviating Gaps, SIPAG, Rehabilitation of Road, Barangay 4th del Pilar, Baguio City. The location of the project is 4th del Pilar, Baguio City, and the station limits is Station 0 to Station 278. The total net length is 0.556 lane kilometer. The approved budget of contract is 4,900,000. Contract ID number is 25PD0086, and the total project duration is 60 calendar days. Here is our geotag picture of project coordination to Ma'am Jacqueline Lumibaw with certification. And this is the summary of quantities. For Part B, other general requirements, project billboard, signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization and demobilization. For Part C, earthworks, removal of actual structures, obstruction, subgrade preparation of common material. For Part D, sub-base and base course, aggregate sub-base course. For Part E, surface course, Portland cement concrete pavement na 0.23 m thick, 14 days. For Part H, miscellaneous structures, yun po yung mga concrete gutter na cast in place and reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings na color white po. Next is yung satellite view. Ito po yung main road. Ito po yung entrance ng Pinesville Subdivision, 4th del Pilar. Yung start po ng project is yung unang right turn po. Yung red line, yan po yung alignment of the proposed project. Start po natin from dito sa start 0, papuntang Barangay Hall. Ito po yung Barangay Hall. Then, dire-diretso na po siya hanggang Station 278. Ito po yung geotag picture po ng start of the project. And ito naman po yung end of project. Next is yung parcellary survey. Sa Station 0, meron po tayong start of proposed PCCP pavement na 0.23 m thick, 3,500 PSI at 14 days. Proposed curb and gutter left side. And start of proposed reflectorized thermoplastic pavement na center line and edge line. Nag-match line po sa Station 08. Then next is match line from Station 80 to Station 160. Continuation po ng proposed PCCP. Continuation ng proposed curb and gutter sa left side. Then continuation po ng proposed reflectorized pavement. Next is parcellary survey from Station 160 to end of project. Continuation pa rin po ng proposed PCCP pavement na mag-end po sa Station 278. End of proposed curb and gutter left side. End of proposed thermoplastic pavement na center line and edge line. Next is yung typical cross-section po ng start of project. Another typical cross-section po, intermediate cross-section ng project, station 100. Next is yung end of project, typical cross-section. Ito naman po yung project billboard and frame details po ng project. Next is yung typical traffic management layout para sa undergoing construction. Next is yung reflectorized thermoplastic pavement marking details na naka-indicate rin po yung stations kung saan po ilalagay. Next yung typical curb and gutter details. For typical curb and gutter, and ito naman po yung for driveway. Next is yung typical details of 230M thick PCCP. Naka-indicate na po dito yung mga proposed curb and gutter, Portland cement, reflectorized, yung mga subgrade preparation, and also yung design parameters. And yun lang po yung presentation ko. Any question po?
Let's continue. For contract ID number 25PD0092, name of contract, National Building Program, construction completion of DPWH Baguio City DEO main building, field office and Motorpool area Baguio City. Scope of work, construction of building. The approved budget for the contract is 19,300,000. Contract duration is 271 calendar days. Cost of bid documents is 25,000. To be presented and discussed by Architect Aaron Aguilar.
Good morning po everyone. I am Architect Aaron J. Aguilar. I'll be presenting the National Building Program construction of DPWH Baguio City District Engineering Office, main building, field office, and Motorpool area, Baguio City. So for the first building, the DPWH Baguio City main building is located in Engineers Hill, DEO building, and the other one is in Cannon Road for the Motorpool area. So for the approved budget contract is 19,950,000, and its calendar days is 271 calendar days. So this is the proposed perspective of the site, and here is the exterior and the interior of the building, main building, located in Quezon Hill, Engineers Hill. So next, this is the summary of quantities. Also, this is part of the lot plan. Next, this is the lot plan and the topographic map of the proposed site. Next, this is the site development plan of the proposed project. So next, this is the basement floor plan, and here is we relocated the elevator at the ground floor. So this is the elevator pit. So the elevator will be provided by the manufacturer. It's 1.83 by 1.83. Next, the existing building structure and existing parking are located in the ground floor area. This is the existing second floor plan, and this is the proposed building. With the elevator. Next. This is the proposed third floor plan. So in the scope of work, They provided the third floor, uh, fourth floor, and the roof deck with the housing of the elevator. Next, this is the front elevation of the main building, DPWH BCDEO. Next, the right side elevation, rear elevation, and the left side elevation. So next, this is the longitudinal section of the main building. Also, this is cross section. The ground floor reflected ceiling plan. The elevation, the elevator, sorry, and the details, sample details of ceiling framing. So this is the door and window schedule of the BCDEO. And also, this is the detailed spot details for the ramp railings located at the existing structure to be constructed at the old building or the existing structure of BCDEO. So the location of elevator, main store lobby. This is spot details of stairs at the proposed building. So this is the roof ring. By the way, roof entrances are being constructed for the phase 1. So the scope of work only for the BCDEO is the 3rd floor, 4th floor, and the 5th floor. So for the structural, it's done na. Lighting layout, 3rd floor layout, and sewer line plumbing. And for the elevator details, which is be provided by the manufacturer, but the proposed elevator car is 1.83 by 1.83. So for this is the BCDEO field office located at Canon. This is the perspective and the vicinity map. So this is the lot plan. It's adjacent to or near to the Alliance Head. If you're aware, it's located. This is the topographic map and the lot plan of the field office. Next, this is the section plan. So for the BCDEO field office, the scope of work is the foundation and the first floor or first ground floor. This is the section B again for the field office or the Motorpool area. Section, another section. So this is the site development plan and existing photos at the Motorpool, the vicinity map based on Google Maps. This is the existing or the proposed ground floor plan. So we have a ramp of here, and the proposed second floor. So for the front elevation, this is the front elevation proposed, and the rear elevation, right side elevation and left side elevation, cross section and longitudinal section. This is the structural of the Motorpool area at the General Road, BCDEO field office. The existing combined footing and section details, beam schedule and stair details. And that is my presentation for the 25 PD 0092 National Building Program Construction of DPWH Baguio City District Engineering Office Main Building, Field Office and Motorpool area at General Road, Baguio City. Thank you.
Thank you, Architect Aguilar. Any comments or questions from our witnesses? Sir? None? Question?
Sa SLCC. Kasi yung sa pickup po namin, bago lang po kasi siya. Kaya okay lang ba na kahit walang attachment yung SLCC namin? Since... ma'am, sa SLCC lang po sa may technical documents. Anong firm? Listen Bowers Construction Services. Ma'am, bago lang po kasi yung pickup license, kaya wala siyang ka-experience. So, confirm ko lang ba po kung okay lang na kahit walang attachment yung sa may SLCC niya, sa single largest completed project.
Depende kung ano sasalihan nyo eh.
Doon lang po sa mas maliit.
Ah,
Basta pasok po sa sa allowable range niya sa ERCC. Okay.
yes.
Okay po, thank you.
So for further information, please refer to Tedler H. De Pinos Jr., Engineer 3, Head Back Secretariat, DPWH Baguio City District Engineering Office, Engineers Hill, Baguio City. Telephone numbers 074-442-8195. You may visit the following websites for downloading of bidding documents. DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph, PhilJEP's website www.philjeps.gov.ph. For online submission, you can email it at electronicbids_baguiocity@dpwh.gov.ph. So no more question, sir, ma'am. If there's none, no more questions, the back activity for today is officially adjourned at exactly